You guys are not going to believe what Terra Luna Classic just did with its overall price. Hit the like button and the subscribe button so you guys never miss a new video that we post every single day. And of course, make sure to join our free Discord with the second link down in the description below. But other than that, let's get right into this video. Alrighty, everybody. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Today, we're talking about Terra Luna in today's video, more specifically Terra Luna Classic, and how there could be some potential price increases in the coming future as well. We're also going to be talking about Luna in this video as well, because there could be a small window to eke out some gains for this next week. We're going to read into all this. I'm going to give my thoughts and technical analysis on it as well. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So Terra's price faces harsh conditions as it tries to hold on to any gains. Luna's price also is technically performing a bullish breakout, and if more upside is to come, it looks questionable as the RSI is still stuck in the oversold territory. Terra Luna's price surprised a friend and foe by setting out on a bullish breakout in this trading week, where most cryptocurrencies continued being on the back foot. Last week as well, Luna's price went against the current by booking a weekly close, while most cryptocurrencies had enjoyed a soft patch in the markets and rallied on the back of it to recover some losses. If Luna can reach the end of Sunday evening on a profitable note, this remains obviously to be seen, as global market sentiment remains fragile and regulatory framework from the EU could cause issues. That is something that actually we should probably be a little bit concerned about and of course looking into. As we all know, or as some of us know, at least maybe not all of you, the EU is planning on doing some pretty strict regulatory framework that they're currently kind of putting through different legislative bodies in order to get cryptocurrency regulated in a meaningful way. Not only that, we've seen a lot of talk from the US government, especially Joe Biden himself, talking about crypto rules and regulations, the SEC as well, of course, talking about that as well, and just in general, a lot coming out from these large government bodies about all these different cryptocurrencies. What does that, of course, affect? Well, it affects all crypto, so it would affect Terra Classic, it would affect Luna, it would affect everything, and that's kind of what they're talking about here. Now, they also say that Luna price has some more headaches to come. Terra's price is trying to hold on these slim gains that it had booked at the beginning of the week, and slowly but surely saw evaporating towards Friday evening. On a weekly basis, a bullish candle could be in the making, as the Sunday trading still can do miracles. However, although this can be a sign of relief, more headaches and tail risks are being formed in the near future, as the following US and the EU has announced it will build a framework for cryptocurrencies to move in and limit any exuberant events. Pretty much, i.e. in that instance, Terra Luna and of course other large cryptocurrency firms that are currently going through a lot of controversy at the moment. And they also say Luna's price could see its little pop as quickly fading as it came and going into the next week start to turn into a loss again. The losing streak of our 4 consecutive negative weeks would only be interrupted by one small outlier. With the downtrend continuing, expect first a test at the $1.63, which is the low of mid-June, and once that level breaks, expect to see the $1 level working as a magnet and attracting Luna price action lower towards it. And then of course they talk a little bit more about that. Now, in my opinion, I think this is all very accurate technical analysis. And again, this is LUNC. I just wanted to pull that chart up just so you guys are familiar, obviously, with what's going on there. But let's pull up Luna really quick here and talk about this. This is actually something that I've talked about in a previous past couple of videos, is the stability of Luna right now is extraordinarily surprising. I mean, look at this, right? We had that nice little green week here where we just were pumping towards the upside, doing very, very well. Unfortunately, since then, we pulled back significantly, right? And now we're back down to these previous lows right here. Now, keeping all that in mind, we're still moving in a way that really kind of sets us up for future rallies. One of the reasons for that is because of the stability that we're performing and of course maintaining in this current area right here. It just continues to stabilize more and more and more. And the real question is, if we do go, up towards these, upsides that they're talking about, right, the small window, has that window closed yet? And again, it's really kind of hard to see at this point because the market is still very, very choppy. The crypto market's choppy, the stock market's choppy. Pretty much every single market right now is very, very hard to predict. So right now, as long as we still stabilize in this area, it wouldn't surprise me if we do see a little bit of a better up push towards those higher gains. But again, there's a lot of other factors that have to be in play in order for that to happen. Either way, guys, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I think that we're going to just kind of consolidate more and more over the next coming weeks, but I would also love to know your overall thoughts and thesis about all these different cryptocurrencies, and of course Luna, which is what we're talking about right now. Also, make sure you pick up a free stock with the first link down in the description below. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance, bro. Take it easy.